Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by selecting your engine and creating a C# project. Unity is common for rapid prototyping, Godot for lightweight control. Once done, scaffold folders and a naming convention so code and assets stay readable. Next, implement the core game loop and minimal systems, input handling, update cycle, and rendering hooks. Make sure to wire a main scene and a bootstrap script that instantiates systems. This gives you a runnable baseline to iterate on immediately and reduces integration friction. You now expand the baseline into playable mechanics, code the player controller and connect physics and collision responses, test a single interaction end-to-end. Once that works, make components data-driven using scriptable objects or JSON so tuning doesn't require recompiles. Also, author prefabs for reusable entities and a lightweight state manager for scenes and UI transitions. Iterate quickly with short edit play cycles, and add debug visualizations to see vectors and hitboxes while you refine behavior. You finish by adding polish, HUD, audio cues, particle feedback, and then profile performance to remove bottlenecks. Once satisfied, configure platform builds, resolution, input maps, and asset compression. Test on target devices early. Finally, deploy a beta build to collect feedback and fix issues. If things go wrong, isolate the smallest reproducible case, enable detailed logging, and step through with a debugger. This lets you pinpoint state issues or race conditions without guessing, saving hours during final stabilization.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.